Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about software development lifecycle. And in today's class, we will learn about design phase. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel, especially if you are watching on YouTube. For complete course and related coding practice, go to our platform my.codemode.us. Let's begin. Once the planning and analysis is done, the third important phase is design phase, in which we clearly document the final product we are going to build. Now, we are not actually building in this phase. We are just doing the design, very similar to the design or the prototype we talked about in home construction. In this phase, we talk about screen designs of how each screen is going to look like. For example, suppose I want to create a screen to login for a user. I may create a design in which left side I can create a image here. I can put some text here and say, hey, login. Then I can give a user ID here. I can give a some text here that says user ID or email. I can give another text label here that says password. Then I can enter a password field, and then I can give OK, and I can give cancel. I can design a screen like this. There are several design tools available, right? From what we call it Figma and some online tools and Adobe XP, several tools available and used by designers. You create different screen designs, you create navigation. What happens if user press OK, then what will happen? What will be the next screen? If press cancel, what will happen? What will be the message at the high level here? If user enters the wrong password, what happens? If I enter 3 times the wrong password, 3 consecutive times if I enter the wrong password, then system will show that your account is logged. Do I want user to be logged? What happens? How will user unlock the account? All those details are designed, but actually you're not writing the code here. You are still doing a very high level design of where will you store the data, how will you save the data, how will you secure your database. Everything and all of that is looked in the design phase. Again, there are two important words here, what we refer as the functional design and non-functional design, and I would like you to remember and understand that. When you say functional design, you're talking about what users will see and use. But when you say non-functional designs, you are also talking about how system will perform, how system will be secured. For example, the security. Security is not a direct requirement, but system has to secure it. The data security, your application security. You also talk about your the performance. Like you don't want your program or software to be slow. Typically we talk about every response within 2 or 3 seconds. So we are talking about a faster system here. All of these are also requirements, but implicit requirements. They are not directly users will be using it. They are not screens. They are not screen capturing data capturing screens or screens to show the data in a list. Those type of things, but are still requirements. And these, when we design a system, we make sure that we cover functional and non-functional design, both of these designs in mind. And at the end of this design phase, you have a technical design document. In this phase, you have what we refer as architects. Software architects are roles who have experience in designing this type of softwares, and they are the one who create this design in terms of all the databases, the screens and all, and they also document it. Now this design is always based on detailed requirement, which was created by business analyst in the analysis phase. That's all in today's class. If you have any question, feel free to post it on our community on my.codemode.us. Please take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.